When is the right time to commit to my girlfriend? The strategic timing of commitment. Navigating the emotional phases or commitment. Based on the traffic light relationship framework, there is no specific number of days or months that dictates commitment. Instead, commitment is a transition that occurs when you move from building connection into a state where emotional attachment already exists, which is the threshold of the red light phase. You should only consider a full commitment once you have successfully navigated the yellow light phase, meaning you have moved past mere curiosity and have established a deep emotional connection and mutual investment. Step-by-step guide to determining if it is time. To ensure your commitment is built on a solid foundation rather than temporary infatuation, follow these steps. Step 1. Verify the depth of connection. Ensure you have moved past simple fun or mystery and have actually shared personal stories and practiced active listening. Check if there is a sense of emotional meaningfulness in your interactions rather than just surface-level attraction. Step 2. Observe the investment and effort balance. Watch for signs that she is investing emotionally. Does she ask you questions? Does she show curiosity about your life? Does she react emotionally to your stories? Ensure that any pullbacks or distance you have practiced have resulted in her reaching out or showing increased effort. If she consistently meets your presence with engagement, the foundation is strong. Step 3. Distinguish between tests and genuine effort. Do not commit just because she sends low investment messages, such as random memes or brief check-ins like, "What are you doing?" Only move toward commitment when you see genuine effort, which includes emotional openness and vulnerability, such as her saying, "I've been thinking about us," or "I miss talking to you." The biggest mistake regarding commitment. The biggest mistake regarding commitment. The biggest mistake is committing too early during the green light phase. Many people commit when they feel high levels of attraction and curiosity, but before any real emotional investment or stability has been tested. If you commit while you are still just sparking interest, you risk building a relationship on unpredictability rather than connection. This often leads to a sudden drop into the red light phases, such as withdrawal or conflict, because the foundation was too shallow to handle the natural ebb and flow of emotions. Personal advice from the Ultimate Edition. The reciprocity rule. Never commit just because you feel ready. Commit when your emotional investment is being reciprocated with genuine effort or emotional vulnerability. One key truth: commitment should be a response to a stable connection, not a tool used to fix an unstable one. If you find yourself committing just to stop her from pulling away, you are likely chasing rather than building. The golden formula for commitment: deep emotional connection plus proven mutual investment minus predictability equals secure commitment. A simple rule to remember: wait for the effort, not just the attraction. If she isn't actively trying to connect or showing vulnerability, wait a little longer. Thank you for using the Ultimate Edition of Love Map. Make sure to like and subscribe to our Love Map YouTube channel so you will know what the latest update on this powerful AI model.